Hello, I'm doing a time series method on New York live resolutions dataset from Google Trends, and I'm finding a correlation between diet column and gym column. Let's get right into the code. I'm importing all the packages. Now the Seaborn package is again on the Matplotlib library used for data visualization. pd.read is to read. df.info method will give you a complete overview of the data frame, which will give you columns, type of columns which they have. And I've changed the columns to month, diet, gym, and finance to maintain homogeneity. Since the month was an object, I'm changing it to date time data type. I'm using pandas package for that. pd.to date time. Sorry, I'm setting month as index for the direct use of month as x-axis in plotting. So if I use plot by matplotlib, let's see what the data says. So in by just looking at it, we can say that there's certain kind of seasonality in the data set. There's peaks in regular intervals. I think for almost a year, from January to January, there's a peak. Now let's find some correlation between diet and gym, shall we? So for that, I've converted the diet column into data frame completely for easy plotting, direct plotting. So this will give me a direct plot. Same I've done with gym. Now since we found the seasonal component, let's find a trend between gym and diet. And to find a trend, I've used rolling mean method, and I've concatenated the rolling means of gym and diet, and I've used chaining of methods here, and I'll plot the same thing here, which should give me, yeah, trend line without the seasonality component, and we can see it's negatively correlated. The same says the dot cor function, which provides diet and gym is negatively correlated. And I've used diff method here to remove the 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 trend component from it, just to maintain the seasonality component to see the correlation without the trend. So diet and gym are positively correlated. So I want I want to specify that we need to explore data properly without fitting it. Thank you. Before fitting it. Thank you.